Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup inspired by Sailor Mars, and this is of my Sailor Moon makeup series. And Sailor Mars was a request by this lovely subscriber, and you could also check out her channel, it's really nice. If you'd like to see your comment featured on my next video, let me know which Sailor you would like me to do next. But without any further ado, let me show you how I got this look. Okay, so for Sailor Mars, I am going to start with my eyes, and I just did my brows with the Kiko Precision Eyebrow Pencil. And for eyeshadow, I actually think I'm going to use a few different palettes, but first I'm priming my eyes with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. And for this look, I think I'm going to put some tape. I think Sailor Mars kind of asks for something a little bit sharp and defined. Okay, so as I mentioned, I think I'm going to use a few different eyeshadow palettes. I think I'm using the You Can Be Changeable Fantasy, probably for these two purples, because of the purple bow on Sailor Mars outfit. I think I'm also using the Conspiracy palette because it has this really good matte red. And I'm not sure, but I might also use the Revolution Red Alert palette, mainly because of the red shimmer. But I'm still not 100% sure of what I'm gonna do, so I'm just going to improvise. So I think I'm going to start with the dark purple, and I'm going to take this one on my crease, also dragging it out. I think for this look I might do a cut crease. And I'm taking a little bit more of the color to make the lower part a little bit more intense. And also packing it on the outer corner. And I'm going to take this lighter purple to blend the upper edge. Okay, I think I'm quite happy with the purple look. Maybe I'm just going to add a little bit of black. Yeah, I'm just taking a little bit of black. I'm taking the black from this palette to give a little bit of depth to the outer corner. I think Sailor Mars definitely deserves a more intense look. Okay, and now I am happy, and I'm going to throw a half cut crease, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that is my half cut crease done. I've also patted a little bit on the outside part, and now I'm going to take the shade Flaming Hot from the Conspiracy palette. And I usually do shimmers on this, but I kind of want to try and do a more matte look. Okay, and maybe with the concealer underneath is coming out a little bit pink. Okay, with this brush is doing a little bit better. So I'm just intensifying this side a little bit. I feel like the first brush I used is a little bit better for shimmers, and with a more fluffy brush like this is applying more color. I think red and purple are two colors that go well together, but that I normally wouldn't do. So I am taking a little bit of that first purple to blend this outer part. And I still feel like I want something more. So I'm taking this red shimmer from the Red Alert palette. This shimmer is a little bit subtle, but I definitely feel like it adds something extra. And I'm doing a black wing liner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. So I'm just adding some black on my waterline. I'm using the Kiko Everlasting Gel, and for mascara I'm using the Kiko Standout Volume, and I think that is it for the upper part. Okay, so the upper part is done. Now I'm taking off the tape and I'm going to be doing any cleanup that I feel like there's need, like in here. Okay, so that eyeliner on this side also needs a little bit of cleaning up, but I'm going to do my base, my foundation concealer, because it doesn't really matter for this look, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my base is all done, and now for bronzer. I'm going to be using the Kiko Gold Waves bronzer. That looks like this. And for Sailor Mars, I definitely want a more bronzed look because of all the fire she has. For blush, I think a more peachy color goes nicely with this, and I'm using the Primark blush in So Peachy. And for highlighter, I definitely want a gold color. So I'm using the Soph X Revolution Highlighter Palette, and I'm going to take this gold. And to finish my eyes, I'm going to take again the first purple, and I'm taking it very close to my lashes. And I'm going to blend this purple using the matte red from the Conspiracy palette. And to finish the eyes, I'm taking again the Kiko Everlasting Gel and the mascara. And I'm also taking that gold highlighter for my inner corner and brow bone. Okay, and for my lips, I'm obviously going for red, and I'm going for a matte fire red. I'm using the Kiko Smart Fusion Lip Pencil, and it's in the shade 514. And for lipstick, I'm also using this one from Kiko. This is the Velvet Passion Matte in the shade 311. I absolutely love this red. The lip liner is not absolutely necessary, but it just helps to go around the edges. And I'm just setting my makeup with the Primark Fix and Perfect, and I'm going to brush my hair. Okay, and this is the finished look inspired by Sailor Mars. I think the eyes maybe are a little bit more purple than they should be. They could be a little bit more red, but I still feel like it's a very different color combination. And also her hair does have a little bit of a purple black undertone, so I feel like the eyeshadow helps to bring that out a little bit more. And then with the red lipstick definitely pulls off the fire element. So if you like this look, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what you thought of the makeup and what seller you would like to see next. And if you'd like to follow this series, and if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And that is everything for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.